Hey everybody, I am Tony Carreri.
And I'm Chris Carreri with Lakelands Realty,
where we live the life we sell. Happy Rule Curve Solstice Day, everybody. Today is the day that we are at the last day of the drawdown, essentially. We are coming back up starting tomorrow. So you can see we are at the low level right now. It's down 4.5 feet from full pool. It has been there for the last 2 weeks. And by April 15th, we are going to be back up here ready for summer fun.
That's right. And I know we all wish the lake was full all year round, but this drawdown, it gives us some opportunity to do certain things. One of those things is doing some dock maintenance. Also, every year, we like to clean up the shoreline, and also gives the seawall contractors an opportunity to build some walls like you see over here.
So remember, wish all of your lake friends a happy Rule Curve Solstice Day. I'm Tony Carreri.
I'm Chris Carreri. See you soon.
Take care. Bye.